Di restoran, at the restaurant. Boleh saya lihat menu? Can I see the menu? Apa yang sedap di sini? What's good here? Saya nak nasi goreng. I want fried rice. Saya mahu mi goreng. I want fried noodles. Saya nak ayam goreng. I want fried chicken. Saya nak ini. I'll have this. Saya nak itu. I'll have that. Saya nak air kosong. I want plain water. Saya nak teh ais. I want iced tea. Saya nak kopi. I want coffee. Saya nak jus oren. I want orange juice. Tak nak pedas. No spicy. Kurang pedas. Less spicy. Kurang manis. Less sweet. Tanpa ais. Tak nak ais. No ice. Berapa harga ni? How much is this? Sedap. Delicious. Makanan sangat sedap. The food is very delicious. Jumpa lagi. See you again.